I've featured this plant before, one of my earlier videos, the Chamaerops vulcano Mediterranean fan palm. Now what's interesting about this particular one is it's actually in shade. You get about 2 hours sun a day, but despite that, these leaves look pretty decent. Still looking pretty good. So it's quite a resilient plant, this. You can tend to put this in any situation and it won't suffer. This is another vulcano. This is planted in full sun. Now you'll notice the fronds are bigger. Not much bigger, but bigger nonetheless. So if you really want this to thrive to the maximum, of course you plant them in full sun. But comparing this to the other one, it's not a massive difference in the growth. Still putting out the same number of fronds, but these are slightly bigger. Another vulcano here. This got battered by the beast from the east, and what happened is last summer, after that terrible winter event, it started churning out these really small fronds. But what's happened this year is, despite that, it's recovered well. The fronds are back to normal again, and it's recovered. Now this plant, it's in a slightly exposed spot, and it was getting hit by -10 wind chill for quite a prolonged period, quite a few weeks. So it did suffer, but it's proven hardy, and it's quite. You'll also notice it's quite a young plant, this. So the vulcano for me is quite a tough plant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.